Here in Victoria lives a family originally from South Africa. Peter Cooper and his two sons, Marshall and Richard, bought expensive homes in posh neighborhoods, but they declared very low incomes and paid little or no taxes at all. They even received thousands in tax credits. In 2012, the Canada Revenue Agency discovered that the Coopers were multimillionaires. It claims their fortune had been hidden in a deceitful offshore plan and slapped them with millions in penalties. The Coopers are disputing these allegations in court.
I'm being drawn into this, which I don't think I should have been in the first place. So I think, you've got to speak to KPMG.
Court documents show the Coopers used a product offered by KPMG. They gave away their fortune, $26 million, to a corporation registered in the Isle of Man, a British self-governing territory in the Irish Sea. The Coopers would then receive millions back, labeled as non-taxable gifts. The Revenue Agency says the whole thing is a sham. It believes the Coopers always kept control of the money behind the scenes. We went to the Isle of Man to investigate the corporation set up by the Coopers, but the shareholders had seemingly disappeared.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's only a nominee shareholder company anyway, so it's gone.
This case could potentially spell even bigger trouble for KPMG if tax authorities find the firm and its clients willfully intended to deceive, says this tax law professor.
It's clearly a case where it could lead to criminal investigation, because obviously there were things that were done here that were not in line with reality.
In February 2013, the Revenue Agency obtained a federal court authorization to force KPMG into revealing the names of all the other wealthy Canadians that used the Isle of Man plan. KPMG refused and argued in court that tax authorities were on a fishing expedition violating its charter rights. But that case has been idle in court for 2.5 years, raising many questions.
Here was a golden opportunity for the government to actually make good on their commitment to go after tax havens, and nothing's happened.
In a statement, KPMG says it cannot comment on client matters, nor will it discuss anything before the courts. Meanwhile, KPMG is having confidential discussions with the Department of Justice, hoping to settle the matter quietly out of court. Frédéric Zarac, CBC News, Vancouver.